It's not easy being a Muslim in this European country. There is not one single mosque here. Islam can't be taught in schools, and the 5,000-member Muslim community is not officially recognised. We are talking about Slovakia, where to have these rights, 50,000 signatures from adults from that religious group are needed. But the law wasn't always like that. Previously, just 20,000 signatures of any citizen of the country were enough to get state recognition. But in 2007, that was changed, so the group needed 20,000 of its own adult members to sign. Although Muslims form around 0.1% of the population, some MPs portrayed Islamisation as a real threat while advocating for the law.
Islamizácia začína kebabom a v Bratislave už beží a uvedomte si, čo tu môže byť o 5 až 10 rokov.
In 2017, the National Council more than doubled the number of signatures needed, despite Slovak President Andrej Kiska's veto.
I mean, as Muslims, I do really need to be fully recognized and to have the feeling that we are well accepted and well integrated by the governments, by the society. We as Muslims, we are citizens. We have, beside our duties, also some rights.
Not being officially recognised affects the everyday lives of Muslims in Slovakia. They can't have official religious leaders, perform Islamic marriages which would be equal to civil ones, nor can they receive funds from the government, unlike the members of 18 other registered religions. And they've also had to sell this land bought in 1999, where they were never allowed to build a cultural centre. Islamophobia is present in Slovakia, and hateful statements by politicians aren't unusual.
Každý normálny Európan, kresťan či ateista, musí mať strach pred satansko-pedofilným dielom diabla, to je islamským náboženstvom.
The situation worsened sharply after the influx of refugees to Europe in 2015. The absence of mosques was even used to oppose accepting Muslim refugees.
The politicians knew very well that they can spread some climate of fear by talking about Islam and refugees, and also by knowingly and intentionally mixing those topics.
In 2017, Islamophobia stopped spreading in society, but Muslims are still waiting for basic rights. Slovakia is a member of the European Union, which states that fundamental rights are guaranteed nationally by the constitutions of individual countries. But is this member country providing all of its citizens equal rights?